You are worthy of living your dream. You are worthy of living this vision for a life that calls you into more alignment with your full authentic self. If your W-2 job is not doing it for you, this dream is yours for a reason. The seed of an idea has been talking to you for a reason. And I want you to come to this workshop just to spend time with that seed of a dream, because you are worthy. And if you are worthy, then what's in the way of following this dream? If this spoke to you even a little bit, do not let the fears, do not let the busyness, the distractions, the ways you've dissociated from the dream, quieted, ignored, shushed the dream, make you stay away from this free 1 hour of your life that could change everything.